Airport Confidence. Hi there. Welcome to part 1 of Real English for Travelers, B1 level. I'm Nina, and today we'll go beyond basic airport phrases. You'll learn how to handle delays, lost luggage, immigration questions, and unexpected changes. All with calm, clear English that locals and staff will understand. These conversations are spoken at a natural pace, perfect for B1 learners who are ready to travel independently. Listen, repeat, and get ready to fly with confidence. Let's begin. Flight delays and changes. My flight was just canceled. What are my options for rebooking? We can put you on the next available flight tomorrow morning, or offer a full refund if you prefer. Is there a hotel voucher if my delay is overnight? Yes, since it's over 4 hours, we'll provide a room and meal vouchers. Just go to the service desk. Can I switch to a different airline if yours doesn't have seats? Unfortunately, we can only rebook on our partner airlines, but I'll check all options for you. Will my connecting flight wait if this one is late? They'll hold it for up to 30 minutes. I've already alerted the gate agent at your next stop. Do you know why the flight is delayed? There's heavy fog at the destination. They're clearing flights in order of priority. Can I get a refund instead of a new flight? Yes, you're entitled to a full refund even if the delay is weather-related. Is there a lounge I can wait in while I figure this out? If you have status or a credit card that includes lounge access, yes. Otherwise, I can offer a quiet seating area. How long will it take to rebook everyone? It's first come, first served, but I'll prioritize families and solo travelers like you. Can I change my destination if I don't want to go to Paris anymore? You can, but there will be a change fee and fare difference. Let me calculate that for you. Should I keep my boarding pass even though the flight is canceled? Yes, keep it as proof. You'll need it for the refund or rebooking process. Lost or damaged luggage. My suitcase didn't come out on the carousel. What should I do now? Go to the baggage service desk right away. They'll file a report and give you a tracking number. How long does it usually take to find lost luggage? Most bags are located within 24 hours and delivered to your hotel. What if my bag is damaged? Can I get it repaired or replaced? Yes, we'll either fix it or give you a new one of equal value. Just show your baggage tag. Do I need to list everything that was in my suitcase? Just the main items, clothes, electronics, valuables. We don't need every sock. Can I get reimbursed for essentials while I wait? Yes, we offer up to $100 for toiletries and basic clothing. Keep your receipts. Is there a way to track my bag online? Yes, use the tracking number on your report. You'll get email updates. What if my bag is lost for more than 5 days? We'll process a full compensation claim based on the value you declared. Should I report this to my travel insurance too? Yes, as soon as possible. They may cover additional costs we don't. Can I get a copy of the damage report from my insurance? Absolutely. I'll print 2 copies for you right now. Do you have a direct line I can call if I have more questions? Yes, here's a card with the baggage office phone and email. They're available 24/7. Immigration for longer stays. I'm here for a 3-month language course. Do I need to show proof? Yes. Please show your acceptance letter and proof of accommodation. Do I need travel insurance for a stay this long? It's not required, but highly recommended. Do you have a policy? How much money should I have to show for a 3-month stay? At least $1,500 in your bank or on a card. They just want to see you can support yourself. Can I work part-time while I'm studying? Only if your visa allows it. This student visa says no work, so please respect that. Is it okay if I change my address after I arrive? Yes, but you must update immigration within 7 days. Your school can help with that. Do I need to register with the local police? In some cities, yes. Your school will tell you if it's required. Can I extend my stay if I decide to stay longer? You'll need to apply before your visa expires. Start the process 30 days early. What if I overstay by a few days by accident? Even 1 day can cause problems. Always leave or renew on time. Can I bring my laptop and camera without paying tax? Yes. Personal electronics are exempt as long as you take them back with you. Is there a number I can call if I have immigration questions later? Yes, the foreign residents hotline is 1-800-IMMIGRATE. It's free and in English. Asking for help politely. Excuse me. I think I'm at the wrong gate. Can you help me find gate B12? Of course. It's in Terminal 2. Take the shuttle train from Platform A. It leaves every 5 minutes. I don't understand the announcement. Was my flight called? Let me check. No, your flight is still on time. The announcement was for a gate change next door. Can you tell me where the quietest place to wait is? The meditation room on level 3 is peaceful. Or the library lounge near gate C5. Is there a place to charge my laptop without buying anything? Yes, the business center near security has free outlets and Wi-Fi. No purchase needed. I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed. Is there someone who can help me navigate? We have guest services ambassadors in blue shirts. Just wave, and they'll come to you. Do you know if this airport has a nursing room for babies? Yes, it's in the family restroom near gate D3. It has a changing table and comfortable chair. Can I store my carry-on while I explore the city during my layover? Yes, luggage storage is on the ground floor. $8 per bag for up to 24 hours. Is there a free way to get to the city center from here? The airport shuttle bus is free and runs every 20 minutes to downtown. I lost my boarding pass. Can I still get through security? Yes, go to the airline desk with your ID. They'll reprint it for you. Do you have a map of the airport I can take with me? Yes, they're free at every information desk. Or download our app for live navigation. Connections and layovers. I have a 2-hour layover. Is that enough time to go through security again? Yes, and you won't need to re-clear security if you stay airside. Your next gate is in the same terminal. Can I leave the airport during my 6-hour layover? Yes, but you'll need to go through exit and re-entry. Allow 2 hours for that. Is there a fast track for security if I'm running late? If your flight is boarding in under 30 minutes, go to the late passenger lane, they'll help you. Do I need to collect my checked bag during a connection? Only if you're changing airlines or entering the country. Otherwise, it goes straight through. Can I get a meal voucher for my long layover? If your layover is over 4 hours and caused by us, yes. Ask at the service desk. Is there a shower I can use during my layover? Yes, in the premium lounge, but you can also pay $15 for a shower pass at the spa. Can I meet a friend during my layover? Only in the public area before security. They can't come to your gate. Do you offer tours of the city for long layovers? Yes, Quick City Tour leaves every hour from gate A1. It's free and lasts 90 minutes. Can I store my duty-free bag while I walk around? Yes, just drop it at the oversized baggage counter. They'll hold it until your flight. Is Wi-Fi free throughout the airport? Yes, and it's fast. Just accept the terms on the login page. Special requests and accommodations. I have a gluten allergy. Can I pre-order a special meal for my flight? Yes, call the airline or go online. You need to request it at least 24 hours before departure. Can I bring my emotional support animal in the cabin? Only if you have a letter from a licensed mental health professional, and it must be in English. I use a wheelchair. Will someone meet me at the gate? Yes, we'll have a team member assist you from check-in to your seat. Just confirm your request. Can I bring extra carry-on for medical supplies? Yes, medical items don't count toward your carry-on limit. Just declare them at security. I'm traveling with an infant. Do you have baby changing rooms? Yes, every restroom has a changing table, and there's a private nursing pod near gate B7. Can I request a bassinet for my baby on the flight? On long-haul flights, yes, but you need a bulkhead seat, so book early. Do you offer assistance for elderly passengers traveling alone? Yes, we provide meet and assist service from curb to gate. Just call 48 hours ahead. Can I bring my own food through security if I have dietary restrictions? Yes, solid food is allowed. Just avoid liquids or gels over 100 milliliters. I'm diabetic. Can I carry insulin and needles in my bag? Yes, with a doctor's note. And you can request a private screening if you prefer. Can I get help if I don't speak English well? Yes, we have interpreters for 20 languages. Just ask any staff member for language help. Navigating large airports. Is this terminal connected to Terminal 3, or do I need a shuttle? They're connected by an underground train. Follow the purple signs, it's a 5-minute ride. Where can I find the airline lounge for my ticket class? Lounge access is on level 2 past gate C10. Show your boarding pass at the door. Do you have currency exchange that's open now? Yes, the main kiosk is open 24 hours, but rates are better in the city. Can I find vegetarian food after security? Yes, Green Bowl near gate D5 has salads, wraps, and plant-based snacks. Is there a quiet zone away from the crowds? The library lounge on level 3 is silent. No phones, just reading and relaxation. Where are the best seats to watch planes take off? The observation deck on the roof. Take the elevator behind gate A1. It's free. Can I get a SIM card for local data at the airport? Yes, Travel Connect kiosk near arrivals sells prepaid SIMs with 10 gigabytes for $20. Do you have lockers for storing bags during a long layover? Yes, on the ground floor. $5 for small, $8 for large, up to 72 hours. Is there a place to print my boarding pass if my phone dies? Yes, self-service kiosks are near every check-in counter. Just scan your passport. Can I get a map of the subway to the city from here? Yes, they're free at the tourism desk. Or I can email you a digital version. Cultural tips and local insights. Is it common to tip airport staff like porters or lounge attendants? Not required, but $1.12 for help with bags is appreciated. Should I say thank you in the local language when I land? Locals love it. Just thank you. And a smile go a long way. Is it okay to take photos in the airport, or are there restrictions? Photos are fine in public areas, but not near security or military zones. Do people speak English widely in this country, or should I learn basic phrases? In cities, yes, but learning hello, thank you, and excuse me shows respect. Is there a local custom I should know before I leave the airport? In some countries, you bow slightly or avoid direct eye contact as a sign of respect. Can I buy a local SIM card that works in neighboring countries too? Yes, the Eurotravel SIM works in 30 countries. Ask at the telecom kiosk. Is it safe to take a taxi from the airport, or should I use a ride app? Official taxis are safe. Look for the airport taxi stand, not random drivers. What's one thing I should do first when I arrive in the city? Get a transit pass and a local map. Many cities offer tourist cards with discounts. Can I drink the tap water in this country? In most of Europe and North America, yes, but check your embassy website to be sure. Is there a local phrase I should learn before I leave the airport? Yes, no, and where is? Are the most useful. I'll write them down for you. Great job. You just practiced 80 real English phrases for confident, independent travel at the airport. Whether you're flying from Berlin, Toronto, Sydney, or Stockholm, these conversations will help you handle delays, lost bags, immigration, and more with calm and clarity. This is part 1 of Real English for Travelers, B1 level. In part 2, we'll explore trains, buses, and regional travel across Europe and North America. If you found this helpful, subscribe and hit the bell. And if you're still building your basics, check out our A2 series. Link in the description. Thanks for traveling with me. I'm Nina, and I'll see you at the next gate.